The number one way you can have social media videos that connect with your audience and encourage engagement is by showing your face. Yes, it's just something that you have to get used to. In this video, we're going to talk about why showing your face is so important, how to do it easily using the best social media video maker on the internet, and I'll give you 10 social media video ideas that you can use to get started. So, showing your face. You may hate it, you may love it, but either way, in this day and age, you have to get used to it. Here are 5 reasons why you should be showing your face in social media videos. Number 1, seeing a human face creates a personal connection. It humanizes you and makes you more relatable. When people can see your facial expressions and emotions, they're more likely to connect with you on an emotional level. Number 2, showing your face can build trust. People are more likely to trust someone they can see. It adds credibility to your content and messages because viewers can associate a real person with the information you're providing. Number 3, a significant portion of communication is non-verbal, including facial expressions, gestures, and body language. These cues help convey your message more effectively and can prevent misunderstandings that may occur in text-based communication. Number 4, videos with faces tend to grab more attention. A moving and expressive face can capture and hold the viewer's attention, increasing the chances that they will reach the video until the end. And number 5, your face is just a part of your personal brand. It helps people recognize you and remember your content. Viewers are more likely to engage with someone they recognize and feel familiar with. So, how can these videos be created? It's easy. You're going to grab your phone and download the free Riverside mobile app. Create an account and log in. You'll record in an online studio, so create one for your social media videos and enter the studio. On this page, you can set up your camera. You'll also want to frame your face in the middle upper portion of the screen. This will allow you to download your final video in whatever aspect ratio you'd like, so landscape, square, or vertical, and your face will be in the center of the frame. Join the studio. If you want to invite somebody to the recording, maybe you're doing a podcast interview or a video testimonial, just invite them with this invite link. When you're ready to record, press record. Now record your video. As I mentioned, this could be a video testimonial, a podcast interview, a case study, a talking head video, anything really. When you're done recording, end the recording. It will upload and you'll have to log into the same Riverside account on the web to access your recordings. In the same studio where you recorded, you'll see your recordings. Select the recording, and you'll see that the recording has been transcribed. You can scroll down to download these files and edit externally, or you can use the Riverside editor. In the editor, you can edit your video by taking out any mistakes or parts that you want removed by using the text-based editor. You can decide on the aspect ratio for the video depending on where you're planning to post it. You can also change the layout if there's more than one person in the recording. You can add a branded frame, customizable captions, which can be edited in the text-based editor, and you can add a logo for brand awareness. Export in up to 4K. The video will export and soon it will be ready to download and post on social media. Now here's the really cool part. If your video is more than 10 minutes long, this magic clips button will find the most interesting and engaging parts of your video and cut them into short clips that you can use to either post on social media right away or edit to fit your brand. So this means that you can get tons of social media videos from just one recording and fill up your content calendar. Alright, so now you know how to create these videos. So what are some different videos that you can record for social media? Let's go through 10 ideas to help you get started. You can create a get to know me video. Create a video introducing yourself to your audience. Share your story, your interests, and what viewers can expect from your channel or profile. If you already have a following, encourage them to ask you questions, and then create a video where you answer those questions. This helps in building a personal connection and engaging with your audience. If you love trying different products, review products or services related to your niche. Your facial expressions can convey your genuine reactions and opinions, making the review more trustworthy. Try sharing motivational messages or tips for personal growth or inspirational stories. You can have a past client or customer join you during the recording to talk about how much your product or service has impacted their life. Conduct interviews with experts, influencers, or interesting personalities within your field. Repurpose the interview into short clips. Discuss current events, news stories, or trending topics within your niche. Share your insights, opinions, and analysis to engage your audience in the relevant conversations. Share your thoughts on a recently read book, watched movies, or TV shows. Discuss plot points and characters and your overall review to help your audience make informed choices. Break down complex topics into bite-sized educational videos. Explain concepts, provide tips, or answer common questions related to your area of expertise. Address common misconceptions or myths within your niche. Use your video to debunk these myths and provide accurate information to your viewers. Do you have any other ideas for social media videos? Let me know in the comments below. And there you go. You now know why you should be using your face on screen, how to create these videos easily, and you have some ideas to get started. Just remember that the more you create these videos, the better you'll get. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And before you go, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss another video from Riverside. Thanks for watching this one. My name is Bridget, and I'll see you in our next one.